What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and imagine the following scenario. I have this image into my computer, but I cannot edit this image and I made some mistake on it. I would like to remove some text of the image. I would like to remove some part of the image. How to do this on Canva? How to edit a ready image? How to transform this image into editable layers? This is what I'm gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After this, go to our Canva, scroll down until you find this option right here, the Magic Layers. Click on it, click on upload, select your image, just like this. Then click on the image. Let me use a previously made one. Now, the Canva gonna use the AI to scan the image and to find any part of the image that can be customized. It can be a text, an image, anything. Even the fonts. If the fonts match to some font on the Canva library, you can customize the fonts as well. And as you can see now, I can fully customize my font, okay? And of course, I can change the text. For example, imagine that I would like to change this letter. You can remove it just like this. Or maybe this one, like this. The symbol can be customized as well. Or maybe these numbers. You can customize every part of the image. Nice, right? And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!